But hearing that the senators are not just selling their stock, they're actively betting against you. And if they are actively betting against you, against the stock market, against the economy, we're toast. This is bad. This is really bad. When the senators are out there short selling stocks, when the US lawmakers who have their hands inside of every insider trading thing that they possibly can are out there selling stocks and short selling stocks, in the case of this senator here, we got some major problems on the horizon. But if you're just tuning in, my name is Christopher Yule, and I love talking about stocks and finding those outlier trades with outsized returns. And if you're interested in that too, be sure to definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Today's episode is sponsored by Outlier.com. Go to OVTLYR.com to find out why outliers win. Now, I don't know about you, but hearing that the senators are not just selling their stock, meaning going to cash, not just saying, you know what, I don't want to be invested in this market, maybe it's a little overbought, whatever. They're actively betting against you, right? If you own stocks right now, these lawmakers who have access to everything and under penalty of law cannot be charged for insider trading, they have a leg up that nobody else has. And if they are actively betting against you, against the stock market, against the economy, we're toast. I mean, we could just leave it there, right? If the lawmakers are out there buying inverse ETFs, buying puts, they're basically saying, you know what? We're betting against the economy. Senator Carper recently made headlines for betting against the economy. Carper is a member of the Senate Finance Committee and, oh, what do you know, a friend of angry old Joe Biden. And right, the incident highlights whether lawmakers should trade stocks. Well, listen, they can trade stocks for now, and they have to report their purchases for now. Reports emerged that Carper purchased thousands of dollars worth of a stock called ProShares Short QQQ ETF, which moves in the opposite direction of the market. The only way he makes money is if the price of the stock market goes down. Let me reiterate that. This means that Senator Carper is actively betting against you. Senator Carper is saying, we think the market is going to go down, and I think it's going to go down so much, I am actively saying, you know what? I'm betting against you. Whoever is out there buying stocks right now, you're a fool. That's what he's saying. He's literally talking to you right now saying, you're a fool for buying stocks. Is that what you want? I certainly don't like that. I certainly don't like that one bit whatsoever, right? Now, of course, this could end up being a nothing burger, and Senator Carper's off the hook and no one cares. But let's be realistic here. If he is actively putting his money to work with the intention of price going down, there's only one way that this works out, and it's not in your favor as an investor. Now, I don't love that at all, but let's go look at the outlier data, because if we look at the outlier data for QQQ, we did get a buy signal back in July, and it's been kind of hovering, going sideways since then. And the oscillator right here, this blue line, that gives you a hint that, you know what, this is actually getting stronger. So while it's gone sideways since that buy signal has come, this indicator here shows that this is going to be getting stronger and stronger and stronger. And let's just hope that Senator Carper is wrong, and we can take him to the bank this time. Instead of those politicians taking the money from us, maybe for once, we can take our money for them. To get the trading data that you need in today's markets, go to OVTLYR.com to see why outliers win.